Daffa from Primary 6 Eduland, and today I want to make a video about comparing school 100 years ago and now. Let's watch the video together. So, the first one we talk about is when was school invented? Before we know what happened in school 100 years ago, we should know when was school invented. So school was invented in 2070 before calendar until 1600 before calendar. Now we're gonna talk about where the first school in history was created. This school is the first school in history. The school name is Egypt Middle Kingdom, but the first education system was created in China by Xia dynasty. Now, finally, I'm gonna compare a school 100 years ago and now. In this generation, we use a notebook to write a notes. Like we write a explanation about this, but 100 years ago, they use a chalkboard and they need to memorize everything the teacher taught. After that, they need to erase it back. In this generation, we see in each class there are lower than 40 students, but 100 years ago there are more than 50 students in each class, and the average or in one class is 60 students. In this generation, there's a law that teacher cannot hit a student, but 100 years ago, the teacher can beat up the kid because discipline in 100 years ago is very strict. In this generation, we can study every language in the world, but in 100 years ago, in some country, it's so illegal that you study another language from another country. In this generation, everybody can use a pen or a mechanical pencil, but 100 years ago, they only can use a pencil if they're still young, but when they are older, they only can use dipping pen. That's the video. See you tomorrow.